Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for trading on Thursday, May the 10th, 2018, and I'm the Algo Capitalist. Looking at the chart for the Bitcoin futures, as you can see here, the market is starting to break down, starting to lose momentum even on a daily chart. Sell-off is coming here in the after hour session here. It's late in the evening, and we've broken the 9,000 level, and the market is looking like it's going to really give it up. Price inflection point is getting close. Market's getting close to the intraday price inflection point. And this is a situation where, if triggered, you could see a pretty massive sell-off. So Friday could be a very interesting day for the Bitcoin futures. Looking at the Dow, the stock market's really trying to not die. It wants to revamp itself. So the Dow is still longer-term downtrend channel, has not changed, but the market is definitely trying to re-strengthen itself. So still down on the weekly chart. Regained momentum today with a close above 24,288. If it can hang on to it tomorrow, it could carry over some more rallying into next week. Taking a look at the daily chart, you can see the market's getting deeper into Kumo cloud. All right, so remember, this Kumo cloud is a consolidation phase, and the top of the cloud acts as a very important resistance. I think the market may try to make it up to that point, just shy of 25,000, and then that's probably what we're going to roll over again. Now, just for those of you who haven't been paying attention, the old high is here, 26,684. Still quite a long way away from that, but this is where we are right now. The market on the daily chart has switched back to a bullish phase officially now, and it's going to try to hang in there. Last time we did this, the market failed. If it fails again, got a double top, head and shoulders, market crashes down. So we shall see. That's what it looks like on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 is already broken out of the range trading situation. It's broken out. All right, so all it needs to do tomorrow is close above 68.72 3/4, and it will have some spillover into next week. Markets locking in this bull run, and to be quite honest with you, it looks like it wants to get back up to 72. I think 72 will be the double top for the Nasdaq 100. So it's going to continue to run for a bit before it tries to top out the old high, which will most likely fail. And then we will see what happens at that point. But right now, if I had to call it, I would say the market's going to try to get up there, and it's probably going to fail. Got to sucker in a little bit more longs into this rally before it pulls the rug out from underneath everybody. That's what it's looking like to me. Taking a look here at the Russell. Russell's locked in on the daily. Took out the old highs. It's strengthening itself like the Nasdaq 100, and it looks powerful. All right. Pull up the weekly chart and blow this up a little bit more. All right, so old high is 16.1920. It's not far away from that. All right. However, if it fails up here, if it fails to take this out, we really need a strong close this week above 1609 this week. If we can close higher than 1609, then that's a key point for this Russell. Then I think the Russell can get up to 1650 if it can do it. If it fails, though, if it can't take out 16.9, then we could have problems. It's hanging on to the bullish run by a thread at this point. It can easily break down from here. So we'll see. Looking interesting right now, though. All right, let's take a look at this these bonds again. All right, market is trying to recuperate, but is having a rough time doing so. Needs to close tomorrow about 143.22. If it can do it, then it can possibly lock in some more upside momentum for next week and take another run at the 145.22 resistance, which is right here. Let's see what's in store. Taking a look at the crude oil. Crude oil right now is strengthening it up. Got within 10 cents of $72 a barrel. If it closes tomorrow above $67.86 a barrel, it locks in more momentum for next week, and we got mad rampage coming up. So 75 is in play right now for this crude oil. Taking a look at nat gas. Nat gas powered up a little bit today as well. Got to 280 now. So it's already beyond the first trend line resistance and making a run now at the 286, which is the upper resistance right here. So it's trying to power up a little bit. So the markets are starting to get a little interesting. Take a look at gold here. Gold and silver, as you know, have been under a lot of pressure. But it's trying to come to life now. Gold needs to close tomorrow above $1,324.20 to put an end or put in a short-term bottom and make a run for next week. That's all it needs to do. That is not out of the realm of possibility. Silver finally woke a little bit up too, as it did a little bit of rallying, and here we are at $16.73. The market just needs to close tomorrow above $16.57, and it locks in some more momentum to make another run at the trend line resistance of 1681, which is right here. So if it can do it, it sets itself up to look lovely for another run for next week. Maybe even push itself outside of the cloud and put it into this downtrend channel that seems to have lasted forever. So markets are starting to get a little interesting right now. Must say that. It's looking very, very interesting. So tomorrow's Take Back Friday. Let's see what Friday has in store. These price triggers have been just right here, spot on, even though the markets have been very choppy and consolidated. I know there are those in the trading room that's been trading the E-mini S&P 500 and been cleaning up because the intraday price inflection points have been running the markets lately. So you look here at the bigger term picture, the longer term picture, but on the intraday level, I'll pull up the 4-hour chart for you. As you can see here, much trading opportunity using the intraday price inflection points. So for those of you that trade the E-mini S&P 500 futures, you need to do yourself a favor and come on over to pulsewavetrading.com and use the intraday price inflection points along with the rally and crash alerts so that you can know exactly where the algos are going to hit next before they do so. That's what pulse wave trading is all about. Putting the artificial intelligence software on your side so you'll know what all the other algos in the world is doing and you can take advantage of it. That's how we roll. PulseWaveTrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can, give nothing back. Peace.